Hi guys, hope you've all had a good start to the week. Just going to go through 3 of our trades from the premium group last week, just to give you some analysis and hopefully a little bit of education on how the trades played out and exactly what we were looking for. So these were for the trades the week ending the Sunday the 22nd of January. The first trade I'm going to look at here is Uni. And what we were doing here, we were looking at this 1 hour demand candle that had formed. So we got this impulsive move here, leaving behind this 1 hour demand zone. So we set bids for a retest of this, looking to dollar cost average down to the previous quarter midpoint here. And we can see that as the market opened on Monday, we got a move down to this area and our bids were filled. And we got an immediate reaction, and just within an hour or a couple of hours we had hit most of our profit targets for a really solid move. The second trade I'm going to look at was on Atom. This trade hit stop loss. There was nothing wrong with the setup of this trade. Remember, stop loss is a part of the game. Simply the reason this hit stop loss was we had the US Department of Justice bringing out the crypto regulations out of the blue. People thought that it was going to be the end of crypto, but it turned out to be something really minor. But of course, the whole market sold off. You can't avoid it. But I'll show you just how important the positioning of our stop loss was, and why you should never trade without a stop loss. So what I was looking at here, again, this was demand as well. So looking at the 2 hour chart here, we can see this demand candle formed, and then we got an impulsive move up. If I now go to the 15-minute chart just to show you exactly what happened during this time. So we actually gave the signal, we set our bids when we were trading around this point here. So we had all this demand area, we were looking for a retest. Almost immediately we entered the signal, the news came out about the Department of Justice, so the retest came much quicker than expected. But we just got an immediate dump, and we can see actually how the price sort of was moving around our stop loss area. So once that stop loss was hit, the price fell right through, and that actually became resistance. So our stop loss position was only about a 2% stop loss on this after dollar cost averaging, so really minor loss. But as I said, when you get news like that come out in the market, you cannot account for that. The only thing you can do is make sure your stops are positioned in the correct place as they were here. The third trade I'm going to look at here is on APT. This coin has been really strong over the last couple of weeks, just going from strength to strength. And we entered this trade on Saturday, and what I had noticed here, this was looking at a smaller time frame, so I was actually looking at the 15-minute chart here, and we can see we got this demand candle here formed before this impulsive move. So I was looking for a retest of this area, and we got that. And also you can notice this support trend line here on the 15-minute chart, just giving us some confluence. So we got a bounce from our zone and a bounce from the trend line again, and this went through and hit again most of our profit targets very quickly, showing that the demand area once again held up perfectly. Hope you found this video useful, guys, and gives you a bit of an idea of what we're looking for in the trades and how we take them. I will leave in the comment section below a link to our website where you can check out all of the results from our premium signals group on a month-by-month basis, and also a link to our free Telegram group for daily market updates if you are not a member already. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.